Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button because you're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. Well, if you're an old subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. You're very much welcome. So today I was trying to recreate a makeup look from this popular makeup artist on YouTube that I always watch her videos. She's so good. Anyway, her name is OHEMAA. Anyway, that's her name. And so she did this video. It's been a while. It's been not so long, but I think 6 or 5 months ago. She did this video on bright colors on dark-skinned people. So it's pretty like just straightforward, but I'm just going to try and recreate it and see how it's gonna come out. I'll probably put a clip or a picture of how the makeup looks on her or how she did the makeup. So let's get right into the video. So I'm just going to quickly draw my brows and then we'll come back to the eyeshadow because that's the major look I want to create. So let me just quickly draw my brows. Alright guys, I've done my brows. Like I do very small brows, so I'm done with that. So I'm going to start the eyeshadow now. So I'm going to start with putting primer because that's what she does. So we're dealing with colors, so let's try and do all we can to make it, we are done with the priming and basing on my eye. I was still tappy because as I'm looking up, it's going to create like a little crease, but I want a like smooth base. So I'm still going to do that. So just watch how I apply the colors. I'm going to be using this baby here. I'm going to be using her. Then after that, we're going to be using this yellow just to blend out and let's see how it goes. Let's go in with a little bit of the yellow. The yellow was almost absent because she just used it to blend out, so it won't be like the orange is standing alone. Yeah, Alright, so we're done with the first one. We're not done because I've not done the eyeliner and the tear duct highlight, but I think this is cute. Okay, the pigment is nice. I think it's nice. It's looking good here. So I hope it looks good in camera. Let me quickly do the other eye. Alright, I tried to do a lot of blending as I could, and I think this is really cute. It's really cute. It's quite bright for me, but I don't look bad. That's the thing. I'm popping. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the eyeliner, because actually in her video she did the eyeliner after everything, but you know, we're not so pro yet, so let's just do the eyeliner now. Okay. Alright, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, it's just small, mild, and you know. Tell them quickly the other one, and then we'll move forward from there. Alright, I'm almost done with my eyes. At this point, I think it's really, really looking nice. At this point, I think it's really looking nice. So at the end here, she put a teared up eye highlight. I'm going to try and do that. I just pray it does not mess it up, because I'm really loving the vibe now. I'm loving what it's giving me. So I'm looking like the sun, you know. So let me try. Hopefully things come out good. Hey, hello dear. Okay, this is nice. Who says bright colors don't look good on black girls? You hear me? On dark skinned girls. This is really mad. Really mad. I'm feeling it. So I might just go off camera and quickly do my skin work, and then I'll come back to you guys. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back home. Don't dare talk to me. I'm not your mate. We're going to move on to the lips now. The lippy. In her video, yeah, she didn't put any like serious thing. She just put like a nude orangey type of lipstick. So I'm just going to try and recreate the whole look. So let's hope it works out. I have this lipstick. I don't know if it's the same shade, but I think it is. So let's try. Alright, at this point I like the lip. I don't think I want to make it gloss. I want everything to just be matte. So I'm just going to add a little bronze and shine, a little glow to everything. Okay guys, we are done with this look. Let me just try and brush my hair, make everything slick and don't play with me. I think I tried. I really did well. I did good. I did nice. I'm gonna give myself an 8 out of 10. I don't know. I really like it. I've never really done bright colors. I'm not somebody that likes bright colors, but I love this. I hope you like it too. I hope she gets to see this video. But oh well, this is what it looks like now. So if you have been skeptical about doing colors as a dark skin girl, hop on it, because you know all these neon things, at the end of the day you figure out that they're actually meant for us. Okay, I almost forgot to fix my eyelash, so I'm just going to quickly do that now. Okay, that looks quite easy. I think lashes changes everything. Just look at the difference between A and B. Alright guys, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you really liked it, because I tried as much as I could to make it as cutie as I could. Please, if you have still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Please let's share until she sees this video. I beg you. I want to know how I did in the comment section, and if you would like me to keep recreating looks or come up with something colorful, please put in the comment section, because baby, I'm here for you guys. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.